So today I'm going to talk about like a demo for performance testing and engineering. So I'm going to teach both load runner and JMeter tools. So whoever interested on load runner, you can join load runner separately and JMeter separately. Whoever interested both together, you can join both together also. Like morning one batch I will run and evening one batch, or else based on your flexibility, I will run both in the morning or both in the evening based on your timings. Okay. So maybe still few people are joining. Let's wait for them. Okay. So today in the demo session, I would like to talk about these are the below items listed here. Like I would like to introduce about myself and what are my accolades and achievements, what is my success track record, what is my aim and motto in the training, what is the course duration, and how demand in the performance testing is there in the market, and what is the compensations we will get if we join in this performance testing, and how was the course content, if I can teach for beginners or only advanced level. A lot of questions you will have in your mind, right? So I would like to talk about all the things and what are the tools I will provide the trainings, and is there any other specialty in my training or else any other activities in the training. All the terms and conditions I would like to talk in the today's demo session. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. So before that, please everyone be on mute. So once my demo was done, you can enable your mic and you can talk. Okay. So if you will not enable, be on mute, everyone. Otherwise, I will make you mute. Otherwise, I will get a disturbance. Yeah. So I have completed my BTech in 2012. So after 2012, I have joined as a performance tester in a small company, I can say. So I'm a gold medalist. I have received a gold medal from our honorable like Sabita Indra Reddy, and I'm having total 10 plus years of experience into this IT industry. I have worked on both service based and product based big organizations, and I'm a proficient on different type of performance testing and engineering tools like JMeter, Load Runner also I have worked on like 12.5 version itself. 12.5, 6, and 2020, 2021, 2022. All these versions I have worked on, and also like Neoload also have worked on. So I'm well versed on end-to-end performance testing life cycle, like how to planning, how to design the performance testing, how to do the scripting, what is the shortcuts for doing the scripting, execution, reportings, and also like I'm expertise on different protocols, like not only the common, everyone is common in like web HTTP, HTML, Ajax, True Client, and web services, right? So apart from that, I have worked on Flex protocol and JDBC, FTP, DNS, LDAP, Bolt. These are the different kind of protocols that are there in the JMeter. I have also worked on those type of protocols. And apart from that, like message queues, if you heard about message queues, right? Sending the messages and receiving the messages, how to test such kind of applications. I have worked on those also. And apart from that, like low-level JMeter is like just for scripting purpose. So apart from that, Splunk, Wiley, AWR reports, Dynatrace, Perfmon, Grafana, AppDynamics. These are all the different monitoring tools I have also worked on, and I have implemented different kind of utilities by using the basic Java and VB scripting for automatic report generation. Don't worry about this. This is not at all related to your topic, but as per my end, I'm just showcasing my knowledge to you. So I have implemented plugins in the previous organization. Still they are using those plugins now also. So to reduce the manual efforts, I have automated those things. Okay. And I have received an work excellence award for this innovation idea, and great work, great success award, and also like a hardworking award. These are the three different awards I have received for this implementation of the utilities. Okay, and apart from that, like I'm having good knowledge on Prometheus data source, Jenkins, etc. And Like I'm having very patient team player and resilient and patient team player, I can say. I'm very proactive, and if any work can give, I will take initiative myself. I will complete it immediately and resolving the issue as well. So if any challenge is getting, then I will take it as a challenge. I will try to complete it as soon as possible. So this is about myself. um so these are my achievements. As I said, like as I have received a gold medal from our honorable minister Savita Reddy, and also I have received work excellence awards, innovation achievement awards, and silver medal also I have received for implementation. I have actively involved on hackathon deckathons for innovations, any new things happening in the organization, I have actively involved there. And this is our success track record. So from I have not mentioned few people name. Okay, so these people are successfully placed in a good and top organizations. Like my with my training, without any proxies, without any supports, they are keeping on serving. Okay, so my training is completely like basic, very basic. Whoever don't know the subject, whoever don't know the system, so from very basic level to advanced level, I'm giving to provide a training. So these are the list of candidates. I have mentioned only few candidates names here, whoever successfully placed and without any um proxies, they are cracked the interview by only. So when you will crack the interviews means you have to follow my classes day to day way by day to day wise. And if you have any questions, doubts, if you have any issues, you have to immediately come back to me. You can call me personally or you can just post on the group. I will respond it. And if you have any other stucks, blockages, you have to share your screen in the class. You can ask me immediately. If you follow the steps day to day wise, you can easily get achieve your goal. Okay. And next, my aim and motto. So, what is the target of this performance testing? So, first of all, anyone can attend these trainings. Okay. There is no prerequisites. Like, but the main important thing is you have to complete any BTech, MCA, MSc Computers, BCA, or any full time degree. You can also any recent year passed outs, or if you have any career gaps, or you're working on manual or any other testings, you want to make a domain change, any non-IT employees or people, those can easily take this training and you can upgrade your career. Okay, so no need to learn any another languages for this performance testing. So okay, with zero knowledge also you can able to survive. If you have any basic programming languages like C, C++, Java or Python or any SQL, that will be a very good add-on. Like it was very, very simple if you know these kind of skills. This is about my main target. And for placement assistant, I am giving you an assurity like now the situation is little bit bad outside, but I hope from this July again it will become normal. So I will definitely refer you people in my HRs without any payment, zero payment, I will refer you. Okay, so I will also guide you to place in the organization. I will also support you to place your resumes in Naukaris or Monsters or any other public any other job searching sites. And the complete course duration will be 30 to 35 days. It might be more also because I have a lot of content to cover, and that too I don't want to miss any single topic. Whatever in the organization currently day to day going on, those things I will cover completely. And for scripting part, I will give you for practical sessions as well, and practical classes or doubts classes also I will take apart from this. So this is how the remuneration in the market, the compensation in the market, how it is. Like if you take any service-based organizations like TCS, Capgemini, Wipro, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, or any another companies. So For freshers, minimum it will be 3.5 to 4.5 lakh per annum. If you have a 3 plus years of experience, then you can easily get a salary of 10 to 12 lakhs. Coming to the product based companies like ADP, Thomson, Colruyt, Service Now, all these are all the different kind of product based companies. So compared to service based companies, the product based companies will give you a good remuneration or good compensation. So for freshers, it will be like 4 to 5 LPA, and for 3 plus years, you can easily get 10 to 14 LPA per annum. So this is how the compensation or the remuneration in the market. So why we need to choose the performance testing, and how demand it was like in the market. So coming to performance testing, if you are having Java, we have in the market automation testing, we have different kind of testings we have, right? Why we have that much demand in the market for performance testing? For Java, if you have a 10 openings, 10 employees is there. Okay. Coming to automation, if you have a 100 openings, okay, so 110 employees is there. Okay, 110 candidates is there. So only 10 seats are more. But coming to performance testing, we have an openings of 500. 250 only the employees will be there. Remaining 250 openings was left over. So without performance testing, no other product will enter into the market. So such high demand is there for performance testing in the market. That is the reason everyone or all the people, almost 95% of the people are choosing the performance testing. And another, please be on mute. Please be on mute. And another good thing for performance testing is very less coding. Okay, you no need to put lot of efforts for writing the coding. You no need to take more stress, more tension. So that is the good thing in the performance testing. So the process, if you know the end-to-end process from basic level to advanced level, what is the process? If you know it, then easily you can follow the same process in the organization as well. So that is how the performance is. The process wise, no, nothing will changes, but you have to learn how to handle the script. What is the script? How to do it? Why we need to do the performance testing? All the things, if you learn it, you can easily able to survive in the organizations. So this is about the remuneration and demand in the market. So here I hope I have already shared the course content in the group. So in this course content, we have a 3 PDFs. One is like performance testing cycle. Yeah, this is the JMeter course content. This is, so I have completely divided entire course into 4 modules. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So why I have divided this? You have to learn from the starting of the PT life cycle to the advanced level. You have to learn. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the basic level, and then I'm going to talk about performance testing life cycle one by one with the documents I will provide. And after that, coming to module 2, I will try to show you the introduction of JMeter and what are the prerequisites, how to install, how to set up, and how to use, how to record, all the different kind of protocols usage. Everything I'm going to include it in this. And coming to this, nowadays in interviews, everyone will asking you, right? So if JMeter will not support in the recording, how you will do, how you will handle. So those type of things also I have covered in the point number 6, network trafficking or debugging tools. So those things also I will show you. And I will also show you excuse me. So I will also show you MySQL, how to take the test data, what is test data, these things, and also like data preparation tools. Coming to module 3, distribution testing, that is main part in the JMeter, right? And a different kind of test execution, workload modeling, Git, Jenkins, and these are all the clients are how to analyze these clients and metrics, how to analyze the server side, and monitoring tools I'm going to cover. And profiling tools, profiling in the sense advanced level or very engineering level. Okay, so whoever want to keep 4+ or 3+ years experience, then they don't need any this much depth content. But even though I will cover, because nowadays in the interviews they are focusing on these items also. At least you have to understand the theory part, how, what is memory leakage, what is deadlock, how it is happen. So all these things, similar way, whatever I am going to cover in the JMeter, so these same things I am going to cover in the load runner also. Okay, so I will only provide the softwares, and day to day I will provide the videos and documents also. I will share it with you, and I will show you my folder and document structure format. So this is the folder I have. So this is how all the subfolders. So module wise, I'm going to teach. Module wise, I'm going to share the documents. Okay. So this is for all the complete course content. And this folder is for demo. This folder is for basics, very basics, means what are the topics I'm going to cover and what are the things you have to learn. Complete documentation I will provide in the form of document and also in the form of video recording. So you can, I will share you the YouTube videos. I will daily, after the class I will upload the YouTube video, and just you can open it and you can go through it. And before that, please subscribe to my channel, so that you will get the day-to-day updates and everything. Okay, so this is how my classes will looks like. So all the documents will be in the form of modules wise. This is module 1, like this. In the module 2, what are the different kind of sites I'm going to cover. So for practicing also I will provide all the applications, scripts, everything in detail and depth document I'm going to share it with you. Okay, so which tool you have to learn? So as per your experience, which tool is the better to learn? So for freshers, any one tool is fine. Completely freshers, zero knowledge, or like or 23 passed outs, or 22 passed outs, or 21 passed outs, who are you would like to keep 2+ or before 1+. So before 2+, you can use any one tool. That will be fine. And even though for 2+ experience also, any one tool is fine. Nowadays, compared to load runner, JMeter is having huge demand. Like everyone is using the JMeter. So my suggestion was learn both tools. Okay, both load runner and JMeter, because in if you want to keep more get a more weightage of your resume, keep both tools. So they will ask you the interview questions on both JMeter and load runner, but focus more on JMeter. Advanced level you can learn JMeter. For load runner, just you can just focus on how to record it, the basic things. Okay, so who would like to keep 3+ years of experience? You can keep learn both tools. That will be a good add-on for you. And you can also include APM tools like Dynatrace or App. Nowadays everyone is focusing on Dynatrace, right, more than App Dynamics. So I will also teach you the Dynatrace tool. So these are all my different kind of exclusive features of my training. So completely my training will be provided. So if possible, definitely I will share my office project also, and I will show you how I'm working on my real time. Okay, and also like I'm focusing on like web-based applications. Web-based means like again Java based application. So apart from web tools, JPEG tools, I'm going to provide you the new application. Okay, and I will also first 10 minutes, if you have any questions, doubts, you can feel free to ask me in the class, and I will also ask you the questions till how you have able to learn, or till how you are able to listening my classes. Okay, and daily class will be 1 hour. Daily class will be 1 hour. Again, it's based on your doubts, questions. It will be little bit extended. Okay, all the POC, NFR, test plan. These are all the documents I will show you with real-time documents. You have to prepare it also by yourself, and you have to upload it in the practicals folder, practices folder. And I will also take interview class, interview questions I will provide, and I will also show you how the Jira board, how the Agile board, everything will be there. So I would like to show you all the things in one shot. So this is the site I'm going to give you for practice. This is the e-commerce site, and this is how the Jira board will looks like. So I'm going to talk about this Jira board as well. This is very, very important, right? Agile methodology. And this is the another competitor tool. Everyone is asking nowadays in the questions, if it is a new application, how you will record, how you will get it. So these questions will be created here. And I will also help you to install the Tomcat. Okay, this is the Tomcat, and I will also help you to show you like uh, the local application. Like I will also set up it and give it to you one tier architecture, how the two tier, how three tier architecture it will be. I will also help you to install in your missions, and I will show you how the one tier, two tier, three tier architecture will looks like. Apart from that, I will also show you the Jenkins. As I said, this is how the Jenkins will looks like. It's loading. Yeah, this is how the Jenkins. So Jenkins also I'm going to teach you, and I would like to show you the JMeter and load runner tools. So this is the JMeter tool, how it is looks like. And also we cannot cover each and every topic day to day, right? I will in between, I will also share you the videos. I will share you the videos. I will ask you to please install the softwares, and please go through this. If you have any doubt, just come back to me. So if we do like that, almost all the topics I would like to cover. So based on your cooperation, I would like to cover each and everything. So this is how the JMeter will looks like. Here we can see the scripts. I would like to show you any one basic script, how the JMeter will looks like. This is how the JMeter will looks like. Okay, and also we'll have a I will provide you the real-time project scripts for both the JMeter and LoadRunner with reports. These are all the real-time scripts. I will also share you these real-time scripts, and also like demo scripts. What are the applications we have done? Those scripts also I will share with you. And also the server agent is used for Perfmon. Let me open the Perfmon as well. So this is how the Perfmon tool looks like. So in coming days, I will also show you how the Perfmon will work. And I would like to show you again Grafana. This is how the Grafana tool looks like. So I will also show you how the Grafana will work, and how to integrate the Prometheus or InfluxDB into the Grafana, how to see our CPU, how to see our memory network, all the things in the Grafana. Those things also I would like to cover. Again, Dynatrace. So for Dynatrace, as everyone know that it was a free for only 10 days, right? So before going to start the Dynatrace class, I will ask you to ready with your scripts. Once everyone is ready with your scripts, you can able to see run the test in your mission, and you can able to see the results in Dynatrace. That is also I will teach you. And also like profiling tools, as I said, right? JVisual VM, Eclipse Mat, those things also I would like to cover. Yeah, I will give you a chance to ask questions. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay, I would like to complete from my end, and then you can ask the questions. So this is how the JVisual VM, this is a engineering tool like performance engineering activity. Here we can monitor our thread dumps, heap dumps, any memory leaks will happen. Those things we can monitor here. Okay, so for this also we need a setup, and we need to run our test, then only we can able to see all the things here. So all these things I am going to show it to you. Okay, so this is completely about my demo, end-to-end demo. So if I missed anything, you can also ask me in the classes. Definitely I will help you. Okay, so another important thing I would like to talk you about, like we have a two types of testings, right? Everyone know functional testing and non-functional testing. As you all know that functional testing also again of two types. One is manual testing and another one is automation testing. And coming to non-functional testing, so performance is our non-functional testing. So in tomorrow demo class, I would like to talk about basic things, like very basic things. What is performance testing, and what is performance engineering, and before that what is the URL structure, all the things. I'm thinking like I would like to take from Monday to Sunday daily classes, and based on your timings I will start it and I will move ahead. For now I will combine load runner and JMeter. For basics, everyone should combine and you can attend. Once actual tool will start, I will divide the classes. Like load runner is separate and JMeter will be the separate. Just give me a second. Yeah. So these are the tools, whatever I have opened it real time and I showed you, right? I forgot to open the load runner. This is the load runner tool. These are the three different components. This virtual user generator is used for script recording. Controller is for running the test executions. Analysis is for to see the test results. These are the three components that are there in the load runner. So I'm going to talk all these things, and AWR reports also I will explain with showing the document. Performance center also I will explain by showing the document. Sorry. So this is how the load runner tool will looks like. So let me stop the recording. Okay.